Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. So this is my topic for today about the artist and the artisans, medium, and technique. Artists is make fine art like paintings, drawings, and sculptures. Their goal is beauty and expression, and their works are often seen in museums and galleries. So ang kaning artist, mo ni sila ang naga-paint, naga-drawings, o naga-himog mga sculptures. Kini sila is kanang through painting, nila gina-express ang ilang mga feelings, mga talent, para siya ang artist. Mga artisans. Artisans is make useful things like pottery, jewelry, textiles, or furniture. Their work focuses more on function but still looks nice and sold in fair shops or malls. Ang kaning artisans, kay mo ni sila ang nagahimog mga pottery, jewelry, textiles, or mga furnitures. Ang kanilang gipanghimo, mabalit ni siya sa mga malls, sa mga shops, o mga fairs. Artist. Work, sketch, paint, illustrates, or sculpt using materials like pencil, watercolor, oil, clay, or marble. Kining artist, ang ilang ginagamit ang ilang ginagamit sa pag-paint is sketch, paint, o materials nga like pencil, watercolor, oil, clay, or marble. Ang ilang goal is to inspire people sa mga drawings nila, mga paintings, para ma-inspire ang mga people ba. Careers. Artist, graphic designer creates layouts with art, photos, or illustrations. Artisans, metal worker makes products from metal for construction, art, or manufacturing. Art and performing artist careers. Actor performs plays or scripts for entertainment or stage or in front of cameras. Diba ang sa movies iba na tayo makita ng mga actor, actress, appeal na ang mga actor sa mga movie, film, siya. Singer, musicians, perform music live or in studios, need training and practice, not always a degree. Singer, kabala naman taon sa ng singer, so di na ako i-discuss. Dancer, express art through movement, requires years of formal training. So kaning dancer, mamani sila ang mga indot busaya. Ang ilang sinayawan na sila with feelings bitaw with expressions. Or create and teach dance routines, usually experience dance first training and experience matter. Kaning choreographer, mga trainer ni sila sa mga dancer. And director, guides actors and brings scripts to life in film, TV, or theater, often need a bachelor's degree of plus experience. Kining director, mo ni sila ang nagahimog script sa mga movies. Set and exhibit designer. Design set and background for plays or films may need a degree but experience is most important. Kini set and exhibit designer kay morning assistant sa designer nga maoy mag-correct sa mga script nga para ma-organize ang kanang ilang script. Sunod. Costume and attendance. Help actors with costumes before and during performance. Ang kaning costume at attendance, mo ni sila ang nag-ilis bitaw sa mga actors para sa mga characters nila like kanang sa mga Snow White i-dress nila like kanang mga princess. Performance makeup artists use makeup to enhance actors' looks. Need training but not always a degree. Kining performance make artist is mani sila ang ga-makeup sa mga actor o actress para ang ilang karakter ma-fit jud sa ila like witch. Ang ilang buhatan nila kay kanang ilang make-upan o kana jung pang witch kana. Careers that involve art and creativity. Craft and fine artists create paintings, pottery, jewelry, and other art pieces may be self-taught or formally trained. Kaning craft and fine artists like sa mga artist nagahimo og mga paintings, pottery, jewelry, pareha na sila sa sa artist. Kani sa multimedia artist, animator use technology software to create graphics for games, films, or shows usually need. Ang kaning multimedia artist animator, mani sila ang ga-create og mga graphics through technology or kanang sa software like sa games, films, or mga shows. Siya. Art director oversees the artistic look of films, ads, magazines, or books need a degree plus experience. Ang kaning art director, maano siya ang nagahimo og mga kuan films ug ads, magazines, or books. Maano siya ang ga-manage sa mga magazines or books. Maano siya ang tigtan-aw kung sakto ba ang ilang gibuhat nga magazines or books. Ano siya. Photographer captures image creatively, can work in events, corporate or specialized photography, training and creativity required. So kami sa photographer, ang mga, di ba pansin niyo ang photographer kay kuha na silang angle kay para ang ilang kuan kanang shot kay kanang nindot. Museum curator manages exhibits, acquires and maintains artwork, usually needs a master's in art history. Kani mga museum curators, mani sila ang kanang naga-maintain sa mga artwork sa mga museums, muna sila ang kanang tig-arrange. Performing arts manager administrators runs art organization balancing business and creativity needs management and communication skills. Natay koan mga skills needed in arts careers: organizing, accounting, law, fundraising, marketing, and PR at flexibility. Mana siya ang mga skills para sa mga arts careers. Art market careers: art dealer buys and sells artwork, negotiates price, builds network, and searches for rare pieces. So kaning art dealer mo ni sila ang gapalit or baligya sa mga artwork. Kaning sa art collectors mo ni sila ang ga-collect sa mga artworks para bitaw ilang ibaligya. Ang art buyer purchases art for